How to search user on OnlyFans. To search for user on OnlyFans, several effective methods can be employed. Now here's how I will show you a detailed guide. So first of all, we will use Google. So let's go into Google here, right? And in the Google, you have to type this. So for example, let me show you site, then colon, then here you have to search for OnlyFans, right? .com, and then you have to type a name of whichever user you are looking for. So if I just go put a slash here and put the name, now let's say if I just put here Tiffany Blue, so I will able to get that person, right? That ID, that username of OnlyFans here. So this method applies on each and every website, and make sure that you type the username very carefully, because if you type the username wrong, then you won't be able to find them on OnlyFans. And make sure that they are available on OnlyFans. And this is a way to do it. If they are not available, then obviously you will not get it. For example, let's say I just type here only Tiffany. So there's a no user of only Tiffany. So if I just go and put it enter here, even though if I will just put it in URL, nothing will show up because there is a no such user of Tiffany. So this is a way to find it, right? And now let's move to the second method here. Now the second method is you have to just go to the OnlyFans here, and here you can just go to the search bar. So this is really easy. For example, just go to the search bar on the top right side corner, and you have to log in into your OnlyFans account and type a keyword, right? So for example, you can see here, this is Lena and this is a username. So let's say I will search here Lena, and let's see that whether he or she comes up or not. So obviously it's coming, and there's another user of the same name. They're also available right now. So this is a way to do it. Just type a keyword on the search bar and you will find it. Right? So for example, if I just go and search for Mia, then obviously I will get such user whose username is Mia, right? And this is a way to do this. And this is it, guys. And there's a one more method which is called Only Finder. So we have to go to this website which is called Only Finder, right? And this is it. And here you can see Only Search, Only Finder. There's a several website, right? The search engine for OnlyFans. So you can just go here and search for those creators, those users on this website, and you will get them. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.